Hello, my name is Paul Wynn and I'm a product manager at JumpCloud. Today I'd like to show you System Insights, our new product offering, and how to access the data using the Powershell module. System Insights provides asset, security, and configuration data across your fleet of macOS, Windows, and Linux machines. To start off, you'll want to log into the admin console and go to the Settings tab to enable System Insights for your organization. Once you enable System Insights, then you'll navigate over to the Systems tab to turn on System Insights for each system in your organization. You can do this individually by clicking on a system and going to the Settings section to enable System Insights and click Save. You'll also have the option to bulk enable System Insights for multiple machines at the same time by selecting the systems that you want to enable, clicking the More Actions toggle here, and enabling System Insights. Currently, we support 64-bit machines, and the moment that you turn on System Insights, that data is immediately pushed over to JumpCloud and accessible via the JumpCloud API. At our JumpCloud API documentations at docs.jumpcloud.com, you can view information about all the endpoints for System Insights. We have a variety of information on software, such as applications and programs installed across your entire fleet of systems, browser extensions for Safari, Firefox, and Chrome. We also have information about users and groups created locally across all the machines. And we also have hardware information, such as information on CPU, memory, storage, make and model, and vendor for each one of your machines for asset management. Today we're going to be showing how to use the PowerShell module to access the System Insights information. And we have a great documentation that shows how to install the PowerShell module and get you started. I won't be going over that today, but definitely look at our documentation to get the PowerShell module installed on your machine. In our documentation, there is a section for examples for System Insights, and this will give you all the information you need to get started to query information about your fleet of computers. So to start off, we'll go to the terminal here on my Mac and we'll start the PowerShell interface. So to do that, you'll want to type in pwsh, and then you'll want to use the connect-jc online command to authenticate to the JumpCloud API. This is going to ask you for your JumpCloud API key, which can be found in the admin console. Click on your name in the top right corner and go to API settings, and here you can find your API key. So we'll paste that in. So once you're authenticated, the next step is to start querying the API. So we'll go back to the PowerShell documentation here and grab this key command. So get-jc system insights-table. This command is what you'll use to connect to any one of the JumpCloud endpoints. So to start off with, we'll pull back or output some system information. So system_info. And this will gather some basic System Insights information about each one of your machines. So here I have my Mac computer, my Ubuntu computer, and my Windows computer. As you can see here, it has some basic information such as host name, CPU type, physical memory, hardware, vendor, make and model, serial numbers, and computer name. System Insights can be extremely helpful if you're trying to understand applications that are installed across your fleet. So we can query all the applications on Mac computers by querying the apps table. So here this will output all the applications installed in the applications folder for your Mac system. And as you can see here, this provides information on the name, the version for that application, some various other information, as well as the last time that particular application was open. So here this is a great use case for being able to query a specific application version that may have been reported with a security vulnerability. So you would be able to use PowerShell module to search for a specific application. If you wanted to view the applications for a Windows computer, you would look at the Programs table. So here's the Programs table for the Windows computers, and you can see here all the applications or programs that are installed on the Windows machine. If you wanted to look for a specific application, you can use the where-object command to pass in the condition that you're looking for. So here we're going to look at name. We'll do a wildcard operator like, and we'll say Chrome. And here you can see we found our Chrome application installed on our Windows computer and the specific version you're looking for. So System Insights provides a lot of options to be able to query information across your fleet of systems. You also have the ability to export this information as well. So again, you can use this command and you can pass in the export-CSV to create a CSV file for this information. Export-CSV, and we'll call it applications.csv. And this will basically export this information locally so that you can compare your application list to a whitelist that you might have for your organization. So again, thank you for joining us today for this tutorial. If you have any questions or would like more information about System Insights, please reach out to your customer success team or visit us at jumpcloud.com. Thank you.